Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured view of the strategies for improving customer churn rate in a contact center. Let's talk about one of the most powerful drivers of customer loyalty, service quality enhancements. First, reduce wait and queue times. Customers value their time. By optimizing WFM scheduling, using AI-powered forecasting, and enabling callback options, we can significantly lower both actual and perceived wait time. Faster response means happier customers. Second, improve service level. Meeting or exceeding SLA targets, like answering 80% of calls in 20 seconds, builds trust and sets the tone for a positive customer experience. Consistency here sends a strong message: we value you. Third, boost first call resolution. When customers get their issues resolved in a single interaction, satisfaction skyrockets. Unified CRM views, rich knowledge bases, and AI-driven suggestions empower agents to deliver fast, accurate solutions. And finally, balance AHT with quality. Yes, efficiency matters. But rushing calls can hurt satisfaction. The right approach is to automate after-call work, give agents smart tools, and train them to focus on quality without sacrificing speed. In short, improving service quality isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, leveraging the right tools, processes, and behaviors to create seamless, satisfying customer experiences. Let's shift focus to one of the most critical pillars of service excellence, agent development and support. First, soft skills training. Empathy, active listening, and problem-solving are more than just nice-to-have skills. They're the foundation of trust. When agents truly listen and understand the customer, resolution becomes easier and relationships grow stronger. Second, AI-powered agent assist. With real-time sentiment analysis and smart script suggestions, agents get live guidance during conversations. This isn't about replacing the human touch. It's about enhancing it, helping agents respond faster and with greater confidence. Third, reduce agent attrition. Happy, stable, and experienced agents deliver better service. Career growth paths, recognition programs, and mental wellness initiatives play a key role in retaining talent and, in turn, strengthening customer experience. And finally, microlearning and coaching. Learning shouldn't end after onboarding. Continuous, bite-sized learning modules keep agents updated on products, policies, and compliance. This builds confidence, sharpens skills, and ensures consistent quality. In short, when we invest in our agents, they deliver exceptional experiences for our customers. Now, let's explore how optimizing the customer journey and channels can transform the entire service experience. First, omni-channel integration. Customers don't think in channels, they think in experiences. Whether it's voice, chat, SMS, email, or social media, they expect one consistent journey. One history. One context. Seamless integration ensures that customers never have to repeat themselves. Second, smarter routing and prioritization. Not all interactions are the same. Skill-based, intent-based, and value-based routing ensures that the right agent connects with the right customer at the right time. VIPs, high-value customers, or high-risk cases get priority attention exactly when it matters most. Third, proactive escalation handling. When frustration builds, it's already late. By automating alerts for repeat callers or high frustration signals, supervisors can step in before the situation escalates. This turns potential complaints into moments of trust building. And finally, enhanced self-service. Smart AI chatbots, upgraded IVR flows, and knowledge portals empower customers to solve routine issues on their own, quickly, easily, and without waiting in line. In short, optimizing journeys and channels isn't just about technology, it's about creating fluid, personalized, and friction-free experiences that keep customers coming back. Let's talk about one of the most powerful levers for sustainable growth: customer relationship and retention programs. First, win-back campaigns. Every lost customer is an opportunity. Re-engaging churned or at-risk customers with personalized offers, sincere apologies, or thoughtful service recovery calls can turn a lost relationship into a loyal one. Second, loyalty rewards. Customers love to feel valued. Incentives like discounts, priority service, or exclusive bonus features make long-term customers feel recognized, and that recognition builds loyalty. Third, sentiment-driven retention. Surveys like NPS, CSAT, and CES aren't just numbers. They're signals. By monitoring sentiment and reaching out proactively to detractors before they leave, we can fix problems early and protect relationships. And finally, VIP handling. Not all customers are the same. High CLV customers deserve special care. Flagging these customers for priority treatment and targeted retention offers ensures we protect the most valuable relationships. In short, retention isn't just about stopping churn, it's about building meaningful, lasting connections that strengthen the business from the inside out. Let's explore how analytics and predictive intelligence can help us get ahead of churn, not just react to it. First, churn prediction models. With AI and machine learning, we can analyze call patterns, customer sentiment, and complaint data to flag at-risk customers early. When we know who's likely to churn, we can act before it happens. Second, root cause analysis. Churn doesn't happen randomly. It's usually triggered by recurring service failures, like billing errors, product faults, or long queues. Identifying and fixing these root causes stops churn at its source. Third, customer journey analytics. By tracking touchpoints across both digital and voice channels, we can see exactly where customers drop off. These insights reveal friction points that, once addressed, create smoother, more satisfying journeys. And finally, feedback loops. Survey data isn't just a report to file away. By integrating insights from CSAT, NPS, or CES back into training, process improvements, and product design, we close the loop, continuously learning and improving. In short, analytics and predictive intelligence turn churn from a surprise into a solvable problem. Now, let's talk about how smart business and policy interventions can directly reduce churn and strengthen customer loyalty. First, transparent pricing and billing. Confusing bills and hidden charges erode trust. By simplifying billing structures and proactively addressing disputes, we can remove one of the most common reasons customers walk away. Second, flexible policies. Customers value fairness and choice. Offering easier cancellations, refunds, and contract adjustments builds goodwill and signals that we respect their time and commitment. Third, product and service reliability. Retention isn't only about the contact center. Working closely with operations and product teams to fix recurring issues, the ones that drive escalations, can dramatically reduce frustration and improve the overall experience. And finally, retention-based KPIs. What gets measured gets managed. Aligning agent and leadership scorecards with retention goals not just speed or volume, ensures that every team is focused on keeping customers, not just handling interactions. In short, smart business and policy choices don't just solve problems, they prevent them, turning potential churn into long-term loyalty. In summary, reducing churn isn't about one quick fix, it's about a multi-layered, intelligent strategy. First, fix operational bottlenecks. Long wait times, missed service levels, and poor first call resolution are friction points that push customers away. Removing these bottlenecks builds trust and improves experience. Second, empower agents. When agents have the right training, smart tools, and AI assistance, they can deliver faster, more personalized, and more confident support. Third, enhance customer journeys. Seamless omni-channel experiences, smarter routing, and strong self-service options give customers control and convenience, the two things they value most. Fourth, invest in retention. Loyalty programs, proactive outreach, and personalized win-back campaigns show customers they matter, even before they think of leaving. And finally, use predictive analytics. The best way to reduce churn is to act before it happens. Predictive intelligence helps us identify at-risk customers early and intervene in time. Churn isn't just a metric. It's a reflection of the entire experience. And when every layer works together, operations, people, technology, and strategy, customers stay. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.